tell me about a company that came to you and they had a certain number of sales and they were doing fairly well, but you optimized their listings and you helped them get their creatives on point, and tell me about their growth as a result of your effort.
Few success stories. I can give you two quick versions of it. One of them, I brought a company from 2 million to 24 million in 2 years. First of all, they didn't really know how to optimize listings and a lot of things. Everything comes together, to really make it happen. But like one of the things was they were constantly running low on stock and constantly running out of stock on certain items, certain variations. And their mindset was like, oh, it's okay. This variation, we're going to get it back in 2 months. And I'm like, no, you need to air it in. And they're saying, no, but if we air it in, we're going to lose money. We're going to, it's going to cost us a few $1,000s. And I'm like, but you're ruining the entire momentum of growth for this listing. $2,000 to lose on an item to bring in the goods quicker. Like think about, listing is years and years and years of growth and sales and money coming in. Like you don't want to mess up that momentum, because every time you sell out of something, obviously you disappear off the pages. And then even like a lot of people don't even know, like especially like people in apparel, like they think like, oh, if you sell out of a size, it's it's not the biggest deal. But like if you like every single size / color, the child ASIN is ranked for different keywords. Is like one size / color could be showing up on page 1, and then if that one sells out, it doesn't mean another size is going to be showing in that same spot for that same keyword. You might be 3 pages away now, and then all of a sudden your whole listing tanks because that was your MVP listing. That was the one bringing in all the sales, and that was the one that had the prime piece of real estate on Amazon search results. So like doing that was a huge thing. And then also just the fear of they didn't want to break up case packs, so like if one thing is selling well, like one size is selling well, they didn't want to send in only that size. They want to send in, the other slower selling sizes also, so they don't have to break it up. But then it's like, but this size is not selling as much and we're overstocked. So if you want to send this in, we're going to have to lower the price on this slow selling item. You don't want to be overstocked. That's, you're going to pay storage fees. You're going to waste, you're holding up cash flow, and you're hurting yourself in the eyes of Amazon's algorithm because you're showing them just slow selling items. There was a lot of things I could go on. I could go on for a long time with that.